Hey, fellow learners. It's Jason here, and welcome back to my Coding Corner, Projects Explained. Today, we've got something super practical in store. We're diving into the world of password generation using Python. Don't fret if you are new to coding, I'm here to guide you through this exciting project step by step. I will guide you through the prerequisites we need. Basic Python knowledge. Python installed. You can download it from the link in description. Text editor or IDE. You can also download this from the link in description. Curiosity and enthusiasm. Most importantly, bring your curiosity and enthusiasm for coding. This project is a great way to have fun while learning and practicing Python. Python concept we used. And learning materials for those Python concept. Everything is available in the description too. Let's get those secure passwords rolling. First things first, let's dive into our code project output to get an idea of what we are going to do. You can download the source code by clicking the link in description. Also, if you want to explore more coding projects, visit the link in description. Let's get back to our project. Code explanation. Alright, let's break down this awesome advanced password generator code. Don't let the complexity scare you, we'll unravel it together into easy to understand bits. Crafting secure passwords. We start by importing two modules, random and string. These are like our trusty tools for crafting random and strong passwords. Function, generate_password. We have a nifty function here, generate_password, that's like our personal password chef. It whips up passwords with just the right ingredients. We set up a string of characters, just letters for now. This is like our pantry for password ingredients. Customizing passwords. Here's where the magic happens. We can customize our passwords by adding digits and symbols. Think of these as extra spices to make your password even stronger. Creating the password. Our chef goes to work, it randomly selects characters from our pantry and creates a password based on your preferences. Main event. Let's dive into the main function. We welcome you to the advanced password generator. It's like entering a password bakery. You're asked to specify the password length, whether to include digits, and whether to include symbols. It's all about tailoring the perfect password recipe. Generating and revealing. The moment of truth. The generator springs into action, and your custom password is revealed on the screen. Voila, you've got yourself a strong and secure password. And there you have it, your very own advanced password generator in Python. Now you can create strong passwords that keep your accounts safe and sound. Once again, you can download the source code by clicking the link in description. Also, if you want to explore more coding projects, visit the link in description. I hope you enjoyed this exploration as much as I did explaining it to you. If you found this helpful, give that like button a friendly tap and consider subscribing for more awesome coding content. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding and password crafting!